Everyone, welcome to English classes. This video we study about new Headway beginner fifth edition on page 71. Okay, let's start to learn, everyone. And we study about unit 8. Unit 8, home sweet home. Home sweet home. Okay, home sweet home. Grammar we study about there is, there are. Okay, preposition. Okay, our place, some, any. Okay, vocabulary, rooms and furniture. Okay, and everyday English, direction, reading, Cape Town, best place in the world, listening, my hometown. Okay, and everyone can study about this grammar, vocabulary, everyday English, reading and listening. Okay, continue, everyone. Work with a partner. Work with a partner. Answer the question. Okay, and example, do you live in a house or a flat? Okay, do you live in a house or flat? You can say I live in a house. If we live in a house, and we can say I live in a flat if we live in a flat. Okay, everyone can say about your situation. Okay, you can say your situation. Okay, 2, do you have a garden? Do you have a garden? Okay, if you have a garden, you can say I have a garden. And if you have not a garden, you can say I don't have a garden. Okay, everyone, continue. Okay, and we study about video ad. Okay, everyone can watch the video introduction. Okay, everyone, let's start to watch.
Welcome to Unit 8. I live in a small house in the countryside. There are 2 bedrooms and there's a really comfortable sofa in the living room. I love it. In this unit, you will learn the names of rooms and furniture in English and how to describe your home using there is and there are. You will also learn how to say where things are. In the drawer, on the table, under the chair, next to the kitchen. Houseboats are very popular in some parts of the world. Watch an exciting video about people in Sausalito in the USA who live on houseboats. Fabulous beaches, friendly penguins, delicious seafood, and Table Mountain. Which city is it? It's Cape Town in South Africa. Read about the best place to visit in the world and find out what you can do there. Are you good at reading maps? In everyday English, you will learn how to ask for and give directions.
Go out of the school, turn left, cross the road and go straight on.
Mr. Class, go online to learn and practice. Good luck. See you later.
Thank you, everyone, for watching my video. Okay, thank you, everyone. See you later. Have a good day. Okay, goodbye.